Welcome to Nature Girls. As you can see, we're doing a little craft here. Abby's actually gluing the leaf on. And we have done a couple, because it was hard to film at the time, but we have done a couple and we identified them. This is actually a sugar maple leaf that has fallen off. And we'll go down through the things here. Abby.
I need the leaf.
Okay, get the lid.
The lid.
We'll get the damn thing. And Abby, this is called a sycamore. Sycamore? Okay. And this is Kapala, also known as the cigar tree. And this one is a black oak leaf.
You see the word thick. B-L-A-C-K-O-A-K.
Good job.
And this is what the word say. A-S-P-E-N.
This is aspen.
Aspen. And
Aspen.
this one say C-H-E-S-P-N.
Yep, that is a chestnut oak.
Chestnut. And then you see this one. This has like R-E-E-D-M-A-P-L. There, M-A-P-L-E.
That is a red maple.
See the maple have a hole there.
Was it fun doing the craft? Yeah, you got the glue stuff on paper.
You see this word. S-Y-C-A-E-M-O-O-R-E.
You remember Pocahontas? Remember Pocahontas, the movie that they said how big does a sycamore tree?
This one has, you see, they're turning green. We have pool in them. With them, so we have pool in them like that.
Yeah.
Turn green or red or yellow.
Yeah.
You see that? That's it.
These are fallen leaves, aren't they? And this is a real good book for kids to look at trees.
And you see it.
Yeah.
Say T
Yeah,
R E
T-E-F.
S.
Yep.
You see this word? That.
Yeah, I know. It's all about trees, ain't it?
Yeah.
Yes, we like that book, don't we? But you did very good.
Very good.
You did very good. The maple.
Maple.
What was that one called again? Red maple.
Red maple.
Red
You see
maple.
the E in the Danish? There's an E.
What's this one called again?
S-Y.
Sycamore. Sycamore.
And here another one.
Caterpillar.
Yep.
The cigar tree. Oh, that says chestnut oak. Chestnut oak.
I don't know.
And that is aspen. Aspen.
This one.
And that is black oak.
No.
Oak.
You see this like this lines go up and straight,
Yeah.
and you see this stick go right down here, and the green and turn the green up. You see this line over here?
Can you trace that?
Blue.
No, that's pretty good.
Blue. Blue. Then. Oh.
Here, come over here. Come here. Thank everybody.
You see
Say thank you for watching Nature Girl.
Thank you for watching this.
You can do this craft with your kids and stuff, and it
Yep.
kind of makes you learn about trees, right?
Yeah, you take them in them, and so you go in the morning and chase them whenever you want.
Yeah,
You want to go on the leaf? You can, and stick it on.
yeah, it was fun, wasn't it?
And they're like, see those letters? You did BLACKOY.
Eight.
A-K.
Black oak.
Black oak. You want to glue? How about you put your markers? So.
Okay, thank you.
I should